A Ring doorbell video captures a man walking up to the front door of a couple's house in Denver and entering without hesitation. The reason the man was able to enter the house was that the door was left unlocked because the couple was working in the yard. In Los Angeles, California, there's a video showing a person going around at 3:15 in the morning, trying to check if any car doors are unlocked.
Pull to pull on the yard. Wow, when he noticed the car was locked, he just went to the next available car. Wow.
In this Ring doorbell video, we can see a man's floodlight cam dispelling the temporary darkness, revealing a stranger who covered his hand with his shirt before grabbing the car door. However, when the floodlights came on, the stranger quickly walked away. Someone was filmed taking solar lights from the front yard of a homeowner, and this act of theft was caught on camera. There's a video where a mother and child were walking down the street, and a white sit-in appeared to be following them. The car was moving at the same pace as the mother and child, and just when the mother realized what was going on, they both stopped and hid behind a nearby car. There's a video where some guys were caught going through cars in the middle of the night.
Yo, who is that? Somebody not there in your car. Okay. Probably keep the car door open like that. What do you want? Doors open.
The homeowner eventually spotted them, and they quickly ran away. Tracy, who lives in Cartersville, Georgia, received a motion alert on her Ring video app late at night. She opened the live view and saw a stranger looking at her son's bike. She didn't want the bike to get stolen, so she used the two-way talk feature to give the potential thief a firm warning that made them run away without taking anything. This video was recorded on December 10th, 2022, and it shows a disturbing man walking around a property at 1:13 in the morning.
Get the out of my yard. Go! Get the out of my yard. Now. Cops are coming.
The video captures a thief being caught by a doorbell camera, but unfortunately, the porch pirates managed to escape in the end. In this video, we can see a woman walking up to a front door, And for some bizarre and unexplainable reason, she steals the Christmas wreath that was hanging on the front door. In Garden Grove, California, there's a video showing a man going around at 6 o'clock in the morning, trying to see if any doors are unlocked.
Luckily, the homeowners had their cars locked. In the clip, the guy still has not gave up. So he checks the other cars in the street. Hope those cars are all locked. Unbelievable! Look at the guy on his way to the next car. Luckily, it seems that the other cars are locked. Wow, the guy has walked towards another driveway.
A video from Lutz, Florida captured a group of around 5 or 6 people trying to open car doors. Fortunately, when a car drove by, the group got scared and ran away. Check out this unsettling video of a stranger walking around a homeowner's property without any apparent reason. A couple from Santa Monica was awakened by a notification on their Ring app informing them that someone was lurking around their carport. They activated the siren on their Ring stick-up cam, which scared away the intruder.